Hey guys, what's going on? So I know of all of us that do car audio builds, if you've ever done a trunk build, you know they can be extremely frustrating because of size. So you got to figure out, when building a trunk box, you have to figure out what will fit in the trunk. Well, that's the hard part, because it's not what will fit in the area. It's what will actually fit in the opening of the area and slide in. Because yeah, it'll fit in once it's in, but can you get it in? Do the seats lay down and have enough room? There's so many different factors that play into, will it fit in the trunk? So here's my tip, guys. If you're building a trunk box and you have some spare wood, whether it's plywood, OSB, birch, MDF, go ahead, get your specs and make what's called a mock-up box. Right. Literally all it is the rectangular box without the sides, without the port. We'll come back and we'll make the sides that come out, and then we'll just cut off of this, and that'll give us our port if we're doing a slot port, or we'll split it in half and do the middle ports. This is all you need. Literally 3 screws on each side or 3 nails, and you have a nice sturdy box. You don't need no glue or anything. You'll put it in, you'll see, all right, that fits, or it won't fit. It's always best to make these a little bit longer, so width, or depth technically. Make it a little deeper. That way you can always come in and cut off of this one and this one, bring the back up and see if it'll slide in. That's the best way. Because I know with trunk builds, most people don't want to build it in the trunk. It's a pain in the butt. So I like to do this method. Literally, I'll make it the biggest dimension that I want it, and then I'll cut it down from there, recalculate, configure my port the correct way, and be good to go. So guys, if this helps you and you want to learn more tips and tricks like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit that thumbs up to help the YouTube algorithm.